Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Fairly Odd Rabbits. Today I thought we would have some fun with a Tide Pod. Or maybe a whole bunch of them. Because I didn't get all that crazy, I bought a whole bunch of Tide Pods. Woo! So what kind of crazy things can we do with these? I'm definitely not going to be eating one. No. I thought it might be fun to do some voodoo with it and like poke some holes in it. So let's go ahead and poke this white one. I don't understand why everyone is eating Tide Pods. Ooh, look at that. Ugh. That's the white part of it. So I popped just the white part. A question I have about these Tide Pods, what happens to the plastic in your load? Like, is it just water dissolvable? But how is it not being dissolved by the chemicals in this stuff? All right, let's poke the blue one. Ooh. It's got a drop. It's like a blood drop. Ew. Let's poke it again. Ah! Okay. We got the blue and the white in there now. I really like these Tide Pods. It makes it really easy to do your laundry. You just chuck the thing in with your load and you're done. No measuring of the detergent, no measuring of fabric softener, and whatever else is in here. All right, are you guys ready for the big green part? I'm gonna try and do a bigger, ooh. All right. Are you guys wanting to see it? All right, let me flip this for you. There it is in all of its glory. Well, I hope that was exciting for you. Sorry I did not eat a Tide Pod. Pretty much just dispatched one. I do like them a lot. It makes it really easy to do the laundry. Laundry is kind of annoying, as you all know. Those of you that do laundry. So yeah, I'm really confused as to why teens are daring each other to eat Tide Pods. Do they swallow them? I need to do more research on that. Like, are they literally swallowing them or just like biting into it? When I first got one of these, what I wanted to do was just squeeze it and squish it, and I never wanted to eat it or bite into it. It's just kind of weird. So yeah, leave me some comments down below. Why are teenagers eating Tide Pods, and why all the crazy things? Like, is there nothing better to do in life than to find stupid things to do, like sniff bath salts or eat bath salts or hot sauce, or like, what's with all these challenges? Seriously, someone please tell me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more strange things. See you guys next time. Bye!